Hey everyone! If you're getting the Unity error 6050F1 crash while trying to launch Hollow Knight Silksong on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few proven solutions to fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it, then expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Disable Device. Your screen may turn black or freeze for a few seconds. That's normal. Now try launching Hollow Knight Silksong. If it doesn't work, go back. Right-click your GPU again and select Enable Device. Solution 2. Open the Start menu and search for NVIDIA app. Open it and click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for updates. If there's a new update available, install it. Updating to the latest GPU drivers ensures compatibility with the game. Solution 3. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download both VC Redist x86 and VC Redist x64. Once downloaded, install VC Redist x64 first, then install VC Redist x86. When both are installed, restart your PC to complete the setup. After the restart, launch Hollow Knight Silksong again. The Unity error 6050F1 should now be fixed. And that's it. With these solutions, you should be able to fix the Unity error 6050F1 crash in Hollow Knight Silksong on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Hollow Knight Silksong.